1970 Arctic Cat Panther. $3.99, I think. To be honest, I'm not real sure. I bought this a while ago. Another one of my questionable decisions. A couple of years ago, I don't know, I think I paid like $50 for this thing. I don't even know why I bought it. I think because I felt sorry for it. It's a bit of a rat sled. I think it qualifies. You know, kind of thing you'd see like back in the day, late 70s, early 80s. Everybody seemed to have one of these things, and it seemed like back then they all already looked like this. Just something to do in the middle of winter when there wasn't any internet. Yeah, it's got no brakes, no windshield, no lights, no gauges. Seats falling off. Track is, you know, it's there, sort of. Still got the original drivers in it. They're about to come flying out of it any minute now. So, you know, might get interesting. Let's see here. On the hood. Now, I think, like I said, I think that's a $3.99. I've seen some of these 70s that came with these. Thing is, though, is that, you can see that or not, that's a Rupp clutch. And I know that these came in some of the Rupps from right around that same era, too. So, you know, not real sure. This one, you know, the cogs are about to come out of it, track's junk. It still runs and rides, it's not giving it up. It's hanging in there. But I think we're going to wind up doing something with this thing as far as, maybe doing a track on it and cogs and stuff like that. I don't know, I'm not real sure, we'll see. I have a 70 Panther over there, 72 rather, which is in a little better shape, but getting this motor in there would be might be more of a challenge I want to take on. Anyway, there isn't a whole lot of gas in it, so I'm not sure how far I'm going to get. We'll fire it up here in a second. She's a rope start, because recoils are for sissies. And if you're going to run a rope start, you got to have some faith in your old Tillotson. I've had pretty good luck with this one so far, knock on dashboard. You know, it's got the coat hanger choke. Tech tip for all the Tillotson people out there. You know, this is probably pretty common, but I've learned that if you put a fuel shut-off on it, you know, when you're leaving it sitting for a while, you put a fuel shut-off on it, it holds the fuel in the line and in the carburetor, helps keep the diaphragm wet, helps keep it, you know, helps it to last a little bit longer. I've had this, when did I do this carburetor? I think I did this carburetor like 3 years ago. You know, just went through it, cleaned it up, checked the pop-off pressure on the needle and seat, just did all the stuff you normally do. And it's been hanging in there so far. So, but you know, like I said, the cogs are about to come out of this one. And the skis is all bent and rusted out. It's still fun to ride around on, but I think we're going to wind up doing something with this one. I'm not sure. We're going to part it out or we're going to keep it like it is. But anyway, let me get this thing started up here. Here's the key. Give me a second to line this up. Always make sure the ignition is off when you are rope starting any engine that you're rope starting. Turn the ignition off when you're putting the rope on it. Just be on the safe side. Right, ignition on. See what happens. Close that up. Someone did a Wankel reproduction exhaust on this, and it sounds really good. We'll might have to feeling that kind of draw off the stand. Hear the clutch bushing starting to spin. I'm getting a little tired. I don't know if you can tell, but the motor's in there sideways. Well, you know, it's a little crooked. The old girl's still hanging in there. Looking for a quick little rip around the yard. We're going to do this old school one-handed. There's no brakes, so the left hand doesn't have anything to do anyway. Having to remind myself, yeah, remember now, blown up cogs, no clutch guard, secondary's not kind of hard. You want to take it easy on this one. You can hear the clutch pushing, spinning around on it. Tough old survivor though, not giving it up. Oh, don't crash into the motor. Don't flare. Don't miss it good. We're on one more time. Come on, baby. Close up. Watch the run wide open. He likes to do that. And then one. Alright. One more time. Alright. Neighbors love this one. Alright, we'll park it on here up on the pallets here. Come on, baby. There you go. That's the girl. Sorry about the hand in front of the lens. I was worrying about other stuff right just then. So that is my 70 Arctic Cat Panther. $3.99 supposedly. We'll see what happens in the future. I don't know if we're gonna fix this one or if we're gonna take some of the stuff off it and put it on another one. I guess we'll wait and see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.